Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Valerie Dison and today I am doing the one color makeup challenge. So I chose the color violet or purple, purplish violet. So I did use a few different purplish violet colors from my collection to create this makeup look, but this is collaboration with Ashly Britton.
Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. Today for this look I will be using the Beach Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette. Going first on my eye with the fluffy blending brush is this light pink. Start stamping that as a transition. After that I'm going in with the pink right underneath that one and placing it right below that pink. First two pinks are blended well together. I'm going in with the hot pink on the top row and I'm going to start stamping. Don't forget to give this video a like, comment down below, subscribe if you haven't yet, and click the bell to get notified from me whenever I do upload a new video, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.
Yes, me and her has been following each other for like 3 months now, and I asked her to do if she would love to do a collaboration with me, and she said yes. And then I asked her a few options that I could put on a voting poll, and we decided on 5 different options that my viewers could choose from, and then we would just go with that. And y'all chose the one color makeup challenge, and yeah, so we're doing it. Thank you so much, Ashly Britton, for doing this collaboration with me. I do not know what she chose yet, so I can't wait to see what Ashly has chosen for her color. It would be some crap if we both chose the same color, but I know we have different, different products in our collection if we did end up choosing the same color. But yeah. We didn't go over what we was actually gonna choose, and yeah, I'm excited to see her content on this and her outtake on this one color makeup challenge. If you have not checked out Ashly, I will leave her channel link down below in my description box, and also add an end card at the end of this video so you can click over there, check her out. And if you're new to her channel and you're checking her out because of this video, please tell her Valerie Dison sent you. I would love that so much and appreciate it so much. But yeah, if you like BoxyCharm unboxings, she loves to do those on her channel. I don't do BoxyCharm just because I feel like it would take away from what is on my wish list, because I'm more of like, I want one certain thing, and she just really loves makeup, so she buys a lot of stuff all the time, and so she's a good one to watch if you like BoxyCharm's unboxings. She also does travel vlogs. She recently had her honeymoon, and she has a couple of travel vlogs from her honeymoon, but I think she does them throughout her channel whenever she does, travel or do something. She likes to do vlogs, because I've seen like a horse show on her video and stuff like that, and it's really interesting. She also does very beautiful, like colorful makeup looks on her channel. Mine is a little bit more toned down and natural, and it sticks with like a minimum of colors on my channel. Like, I don't go branch out there and try like more than 5 eyeshadows on my eyes. She does. She just has so many great colorful eyeshadow looks on her channel. She's so talented. Please go over there and check her out if you hadn't already, and give her some love. And before I share with you how I created this look, the products I used, and how I used them, I do want to remind you I have 2 giveaways going on right now. I have the International 3K giveaway. I have not hit that milestone as of yet, so that is still open, but whenever I do hit my 3K mark, that giveaway will end. That giveaway will be in my description box. for you to enter that one. Like I said, it's international. Anybody can enter. The rules are on that giveaway video, so you will have to go over there and check that video out to enter that giveaway. And then I also have my July giveaway. I guess that's what I will call it, or I did call it. I'm not really sure, but I will have another one soon in July. But anyway, that one is going to end the 15th. That one's also in the description box below, and it probably will be at an end card at the end of this video too. Yeah, you got 2 chances to enter 2 different giveaways. Alright, let me show you what I used and how I used the products to create this Violet makeup challenge look. Alright, I'm going to start off with the Physicians Formula Concealer to prime my lids. Now I'm going in with the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette. And I'm going to set my brows, or not my brows, I'm going to set my eyes using this matte cream color. Yeah, I'm going to set my eyes with that color. So this is a Violet like makeup look, or makeup challenge. So I'm gonna kind of cheat in a way. It's like a purple Violet. Violet is kind of purple, so I'm just going to basically use these 3 shades for my entire look. I think that's what I'm going with. I'm not sure yet. Yeah, I'm going to use this lightest purple looking shade right here in the corner to be my transition shade, and I'm going in very lightly. And now I'm going back in with my Physicians Formula concealer, and I'm going to carve out a cut crease. After that, I'm going to use this just a little bit darker of a purple. This is the first color we use. Now I'm going to use this in that place where we put the concealer. And now I'm going to deepen up this eyeshadow look and use this darkish purple, the darkest purple right here, and I'm going to put it mostly on the outside corners of the eyes right here, and then I'm just going to kind of blend it, almost like use it as a transition color too. And it looks like so, but don't worry, it will look a little bit better when I put on my eyeliner and eyelashes. Right now I'm going to clean out my fallout with just a little makeup remover towelette. Now I'm going to use my Milani Eye Tech Extreme Felt Tip Eyeliner to do a cat eye. After that, I'm going to go on my eyeline with the Smashbox Always Sharp Waterproof Kohl Eyeliner, just so you won't see any of the white spaces. After that, I'm going to use my Ardell Wispies in the 113 Black Style with the Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive with Aloe to put on my falsies. Now I'm going to use that Physicians Formula concealer again to conceal under my eyes. Alright, after that I'm using my Physicians Formula, the Healthy Foundation. This is the color MW2 for my foundation. Now I'm going to use my CoverGirl Clean Professional Loose Powder to set my face. Now I'm going to use my Physicians Formula Bronze Booster to bronze up my face. Alright, now I'm using my Pixie by Petra Lash Booster Mascara to blend in my falsies, or my lashes with my falsies, and also doing my lower lashes. So for blush, I'm going to try my best. Let's see. Okay, so instead of using a blush and a highlight, I'm going to do like a 2-in-1 kind of deal, and I'm going to use this shade. It's like a purplish pink. It is like a violet, like a pale violet, and some shifts of it. But yeah, I'm going to use this as a blush slash highlight. Wow, that's pretty. I like that. And I just pulled this out of my palette that I've been creating doing depotting. If you haven't seen that video already, I will put it in the car above, and I will also link it in my description box below. Last time I tried to do a depotting, I accidentally deleted it. So yeah, that's the eyeshadows that I did in my last depotting that y'all didn't get to see because I deleted it. But this is from the Life is a Festival eyeshadow palette, and that's where this color came from. But yeah, I'm pretty much not going to keep up with what I put in here. I'm just going to use them as colors after they get in this. But yeah, that is so pretty. So pretty. I'm glad I pulled that out. So now I need to do lips, and what I think I'll do is I'll use this Physicians Formula, the Healthy Velvet Finish lipstick, and I will just put a different color on top of that. That way this is like a sticky base. Alright, so I swatched the 3 purplish violet looking colors on the back of my hand to see which one was the most violet color. And I think this one is the most violet color in my opinion, and I think that would go best with this makeup look. So I'm just going to put that on a tip of a brush and pretty much pack it on over that cream lipstick or whatever I just used. Alright, now I'm going to use my Smashbox The Hood Witch Photo Finish Love Ritual Primer Water. This is in Jasmine and Rose, so I thought it was kind of fitting because it's like a pinkish, purplish color. But yeah, I'm going to set my face with this. Alright, I'm going to let my face dry down and go put on, or go fix my hair. And I will be right back with you with my intro and outro. Alright, that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed this 1 color makeup challenge that me and Ashly Britton did. Don't forget, she does have a video of this challenge on her channel. I don't know what color she chose, and I can't wait to see what she did choose. She has been such a good friend of mine here on YouTube for the last 3 months. Like I said, if you like BoxyCharm unboxings, travel vlogs, or even eyeshadow looks that's very bright and beautiful, please tell her Valerie Dison sent you and go over there and check her out. And again, don't forget that I do got 2 giveaways going on right now. I'm trying to hit my 3K goal, and that one will be up until I hit that goal. And as soon as I hit that goal, I will just let the winner know who won. So go there and enter up if you hadn't already. That one is the international giveaway, so you still can enter that one. And then I have a US only giveaway going on. It's a Thrive Cosmetics CC Cream Foundation. You basically will pick your color to enter that one on that video, but that one's in the description box below and at an end card at the end of this video, and that one does end the 15th. I hope you enjoyed this makeup challenge. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you buddies next time.